Say hi, Uncle Patrick. Do you remember me? Say shake. Oh. Do you remember Uncle Patrick? Where is he? Do you want to go get Uncle Patrick? Say I love you, Uncle Patrick, and I'm sorry you're grumpy, right? Mwah. Mwah. Oh, there's you. Oh, stretch. We gotta wake up in the morning. Ain't you cute? Oh, God. You're so cute. Say hi to Uncle Patrick. Hi, Uncle Patrick. Oh, who's the cute baby? Are you spoiled? Don't rub your nose on my thing. Are you spoiled? Yeah, Mommy loves you. Oh, okay, birdies. Hi, birdies. Say good morning. Good morning, Uncle Patrick. Go ahead. Go ahead, say it. Say good morning, Uncle Patrick. You just did it. That's Baby, right? Baby, can you whistle now? Are you a pretty girl? Are they pretty? Are they good birdies? Baby, do you like the birdies? Hi. Say hello. Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty boy. Chip. Who's handsome? I love you guys. Baby, are you molting? Who's molting? Who's molting, huh? Say good morning. Good morning, Uncle Patrick. We're sorry you're grumpy. Hi, baby. Hi, Chip. Are you grumpy? Are you Chip? Are you grumpy like Uncle Patrick? Say yes, he's grumpy. She's gonna run. Oh, I love you.